you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
And guys, so dito na tayo sa warehouse ng LBC. Tagal ko na sa Imos, ngayon ko lang napasok ito. U-turn lang ako. Okay. Yan, ayun ko sir. Okay. Drop na natin guys yung ating first booking. So ayan guys, drop off natin, finish for booking number 1, 1-0. So mabait si sir, meron tayong tip na 60 pesos. Alright, dito lang ako, labas lang ako. Tapos antay ako sa Gedli ng booking. Alright guys, meron tayong panibagong booking. Ang pick up nito is 2.4 kilometers lang. Dito lang sa Bacoor. And then ito ay papuntang Sucat, Parañaque. Puntahan ko lang guys. Ang binok nito is 200 kg. So pang sedan po. Alright. Update guys. Oras 9:03. Medyo natatraffic lang tayo dito sa Imos, Aguinaldo. Sobrang lapit lang ang pick up natin, 2 kilometers lang, 2.4. Pero dahil sa may mga ginagawang kalsada, waray upay! Ayaw, di ma. Traffic! Okay. So ayan guys, nandito na tayo sa pick up ng second booking. Ayan ang item. tayo. Palabas na tayo ulit ng Aguinaldo. Dito sa Bacoor. Update guys. Oras 9:20. Nag-change route tayo. Traffic masyado sa Aguinaldo. Bumalik tayo dito sa may All Home. Tapos dito sa shortcut ng ang labas nito is Molino Boulevard. Pasok tayo dun sa BF Resort. Gagamitin natin yung friendship sticker natin. And then yun, labas niyan CAA. Tapos may shortcut doon. Ang lalabasan natin yan is Sukat na siya. So mas malapit. Alright. Update! Kadog style.
Ayaw, di ba?
Oras alas 10:05. Dito na tayo sa may Parañaque City Hall. Guys, dito na tayo. Dito na tayo sa drop off kay ma'am. Alright. Okay guys. Dito na tayo sa Azor. Tawagan ko lang ulit si ma'am.
Kuya, magkano?
Ay, wait lang ma'am ha.
Para.
Yes po. 227 lang po.
May ano ngayon? May sa Gcash?
Meron naman po, dagdagan nyo na lang ng pang cash out ha.
Sige.
Sige po, andito na po ako. Thank you. Guys, habang inaantay natin si customer, tayo sa Maui Tower. Pababa na siya. Tapos ang drop off nito sa may Better Living lang, 2 kilometers lang galing dito yung drop off. Okay yung mga biyahe natin so far. Okay. Okay guys, so na-pick up na natin. Kaso traffic dyan paglabas. naalala ko tuloy yung natumba dun sa may Pasig last week. Mga nakamotor dyan, hinay-hinay at medyo madilim ng kalangitan na naman. Ingat tayo, ingat. Dito tayo ulit sa may SM Bikutan. Ganda to, paikot-ikot lang tayo dito. Kukunin sa East Service Road, iikot sa West Service Road, doon ang deliver sa may Sibirina. Right, maya na lang.